Infiltrating this facility will require advanced equipment. We should visit Rilgar to acquire it.
Just told me he...
Attention residents of Blackwater City. As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small outbreak of amoeboids. Our security teams are working hard to rid the city of these creatures, but first, they have to wake up, get washed, brush their teeth, drive over here. I mean, really, it's a whole process. So until they arrive, the race is postponed. Please stay inside your homes while we manage the crisis. Thank you.
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to try out.
Contain and exterminate all unauthorized organisms.
That vendor might have some new weapons.
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look. Locked and loaded. That ought to do it.
What's down here?
intrepid Lombax delves the depths of, deepness.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
This Zircon is here to kill.
Ha!
The rocket that Zircon lives for.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy.
I believe we should run now.
One little, 2 little dead little angels. 4 little, 5 little dead little angels. Flee! Flee before Mr. Zircon.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal. That was close. This place looks like bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Hey, pal. You got any of them Rhino holo cards?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of holo cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these holo cards, and thus the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the holo cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
The trespasser can short-circuit powered lock. Rotate selected control ring. Detected port powered. Proceed to next control ring. Power remaining port with remaining laser.
Hey, you got one. Hey, keep looking for more. Travel to other planets and stuff. Holo cards are everywhere.
What do you say, pal? Feel like entering the race? Okay, what's our destination?
There is still an important gadget in Nebula G34.
Ready to commence Operation Falling Star?